Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. And if you have any questions today after the call, any questions regardless of what it is, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Let's move on to attachment number 9, folks. Attachment number 9 reads, remember. I can't express how important these documents are, especially they're free. Remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, be prepared for rejection. Be prepared when people give you objections. No matter how bad it is, just keep on going no matter what. No matter what happened to you today, somebody hung up on you, somebody, hey, stayed on the phone with you. We have a tendency to focus on the negative, okay? Well, trust me, as you go along every day, some positive things are gonna happen. And when that happens, focus on the positive. But regardless of what happens, just remember that you have to be prepared for rejection. You have to be prepared for objections. People will object to you calling them and, in their mind, wasting your time. You have to give them a reason why they should stay on the phone with you. Regardless, no matter how bad it is, no matter how good it is, okay? Keep on going no matter what happens. You're gonna face rejection. You're gonna face objections in this profession. Regardless of what happens, just remember, nobody is reaching through the phone, through this object here that you're connecting with and grabbing you, okay? You're totally safe. So, no matter how bad it is, keep on going no matter what happens. Do you have any questions again? Do you have any questions about today's call? What I went over about motivation is so important. It's so important that you motivate yourself the correct way. Or more importantly, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me, Ted Keys, a call. I'm at 626-309-9141. Great topic for today, motivation. Take these skills, apply them. You'll be amazed at what happens to your results.